Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing summer SPF sun essentials. Summer SPF sun essentials. That feels like a tongue twister. I don't know. What do you guys think? I am on here with a bare face because usually I don't wear a lot of makeup when I'm spending a lot of time in the sun. If I'm going to the beach or if I'm tanning outside. Yes, I know, tanning's not a good idea in the sun, but you know what? I'm a sun puppy, okay? I'm a sun puppy. I love the sun, so I have to protect myself some way. And even though I protect myself, I still get dark because, as you could see, I'm pretty olive skin tone. My family genes come from southern Italy, so my skin tone it can handle sun pretty well with an SPF very nicely. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of SPF products today, and I'm going to let you guys know, show you some accessories along with it. So, the first thing I want to talk about is your body. You have to protect your body from the sun. I have two different SPFs here. One is the Banana Boat Sun Comfort. This is SPF 50, broad spectrum UVA UVB, and it's in the spray form. The other one is the Banana Boat Sport Power Stay Technology Sunscreen SPF 50, water and sweat resistant up to 80 minutes. So these are the two that we use. You know, this one's actually running low, and it hasn't even expired yet, believe it or not. So honestly, I like to use these every time I'm in the sun, whether I'm down south, whether I'm here, staying here in Canada for the summer, whatever the case is. But what I suggest is look at the bottom of your SPF. If the expiry date has gone by, definitely replace them, because SPF is something you just don't want to mess with, and once the expiry date has passed, not a good idea to use them when they are expired. This one expires in 2020, so we're good. This one actually expired April of this year, so I have to let this one go, unfortunately. But I will be repurchasing them as we finish them, because this is the SPF I use. I like the spray version, not the cream. I feel like the cream is very sticky and slimy, and I'm just not a fan. I prefer this, and I reapply throughout the day when I'm at the beach or outside. It just does well, and I don't burn. So I love this sunscreen. This is one of my favorites. You can get these at the drugstore. So you guys, just so you know, the SPF products, you can find these, most of them, at the drugstore, except for two. So here's my face SPF. This I love because this is the Neutrogena Clear Face Sunscreen Lotion SPF 60. So this is for people that are acne prone. I am quite acne prone. So I like to use this one because it's oil free, it's fragrance free. It's recognized by the Canadian Dermatology Association for sun protection, and it's got a Helioplex UVA UVB protection. So, you know, I am very happy with this. I've repurchased a ton of times. I think this is my 4th bottle. And I just find that this works so well with my skin because it is acne prone. If you guys have acne prone problematic skin, you need an SPF, this is the one. I can guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. It applies to your face like a cream, but as you rub it in, it'll seep into your skin and not leave a greasy feeling. That's what I don't like, is the greasy feelings in SPFs. This one doesn't do that. This soaks in, your face is pretty much matte, and you can even go in with makeup after it if you wish, or you can just leave it as is, and I use it both ways. It's amazing. So for those days where I need to, use some SPF and I'm going to be wearing some makeup, I mean, like I said, guys, you can use this under your makeup and it'll be fine. I've tried it. It works wonders. Sometimes I don't, either I forget or I don't want to, add that added step in the morning because I'm just such in a rush. So what I've been using, and this is actually a new box because I finished my other one. This is the IT Cosmetics CC Oil-Free Matte Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum. This is an SPF 40 UVA UVB physical sunscreen protection. This is in the shade medium tan. I actually had their original CC cream SPF 50 version, and I didn't mind it in the winter time. In the summer it was a bit oily. I tried to use it up when I went away to Mexico, and I used it all the way up. I actually had it in one of my empties recently. That one is more designed for drier skin. I can't even open this bottle, you guys. Can you believe it? Let's see here. There we go. So this one is designed for more oily skin, and in the summer I'm quite oily. So I'm opening this box in front of you guys because I haven't cracked it open yet. I've been saving it for the summertime because that's when I really wanted to use this. So I am going to start using this in the summer. I love the packaging with the IT Cosmetics CC creams. It comes with a pump, so like all you gotta do is just pump it out, and let me tell you, it does absolute wonders. I haven't tried this formulation yet because I have only used the CC cream, like the regular version, in the silver tube. This is a green tube. But I'm really excited. Something like this is what I wanted to show you, just so that you guys know that if you don't want to add the extra step of the SPF as a layer, you want it included in your makeup. There are products out there that offer that, so just keep an eye out on what you're looking for, whether it be drugstore or whether it be high-end. Personally, for me, drugstore SPFs don't really work well for me in makeup. So like makeup brands that have SPF in it, I find that it really doesn't work well with my skin. I don't know why. So this is what I choose to use. The IT Cosmetics brand is an amazing brand. The silver packaging bottle is a higher SPF. It definitely provides protection, which I love, by the way. And you can get that regular formula or you can get the matte formula. This one here is the matte formula for summertime. My skin is a tad bit shiny. That's because I have a hydrating mask on my face. It's a sleeping mask, but I just wanted you guys to see my skin because my skin is actually pretty good. So this is a great option if you want 2 steps in one. You've got your makeup coverage and you've got your SPF. These are full coverage, guys. Like the first bottle I had from them, it literally covered all my redness. I was so surprised. To apply this, I either use a beauty blender or I use my fingers because I feel like either one are the best ways to apply it. A brush leaves a lot of strokes, not my favorite. So if you guys have one of these, I would suggest using your fingers to massage it in, or a damp beauty blender. But this is a great option if you want to, combine the steps into one. If you're in a rush on mornings, you're going to work or whatever, that's a great thing. So now we have to talk about lips. We still got to protect our lips in the summertime. So I use the Jack Black Lip Balm with SPF 25. This is actually in grapefruit. Yeah, this is a nice one. The grapefruit one I brought to Mexico with me. I think I used like a quarter of it up, but it's got active ingredients in there for sunscreen. It's got petrolatum, octinoxate, avobizone, I can't even pronounce these, along with avocado oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, a whole bunch of other shea butters and all that kind of stuff for hydration. These are come out, they go on clear and they look like a gloss on your lips. Love them. They have an SPF of 25, which I feel is perfect for your lips, and they don't smell like SPF. My pet peeve with lip balms that have SPF is that they reek of sunscreen, and I hate the smell of sunscreen. I find that this one doesn't smell, so that's great because it's fragrance free. This one has the grapefruit and ginger scent, so I don't smell the SPF. Blistex has a blue packaged balm that I have been using in my car, and it reeks of SPF, and I just hate it, but I'm using it up because I want to get it in my collection. This is my favorite one. If you guys are looking for an SPF, definitely check out the Jack Black ones. I think they're about $7 or $8, but I feel like they're so worth it because then you are experiencing a lovely experience when you're applying this to your lips, not a horrifying experience with the scent. So, to me, it's worth it. What can I say? Okay, so 2 accessories, you guys, for my summer SPF essentials. First off is we all need a pair of sunglasses in the summertime. I use sunglasses all year round just because in Toronto, when the winter is here and the snow is here, the light reflects off the snow and it gets really bright for my eyes. So I wear, sunglasses all year round. But, they become a really fun accessory in the summertime. The ones that I have been loving, these are my Key Australia JLo collaboration. This is the Empire. This is the Empire design, I guess you could say. They're a little bit dirty now. I have to like not wash them, but let's see if I can. You don't have to go and spend a lot of money on sunglasses. You can go to Aldo, you can go to Claire's, you can go to Ardene's and get a nice pair of sunglasses. I've done that over the years, and I can tell you I've had a few that have lasted me and a few that haven't lasted me. I started buying good sunglasses probably in the last 2 years, only because I feel like there's something, like the ones that I've purchased are worth it. I have now 3 pairs of Key sunglasses, and from Key Australia, and I just love them. They are amazing. This is the Empire version with the JLo collaboration. They come in a pouch. I usually leave them in my purse because then I like to wear them wherever I'm going. I have a pair everywhere. I have my Empire ones with me in my purse all the time. I have my high key ones, my black high key ones in my truck, and then I have a pair of rose gold high key ones also in my purse, which I think I may transfer into another purse, whether it be a beach bag or whatever. I just like having a pair of sunglasses in every place just in case I need them. I have some less expensive ones from Ardene's. There's a couple there on my ledge. I'm not going to go reach for them now, but any pair of sunglasses that you love to wear is definitely a must for the summertime. You want to protect your eyes from the sun. Even though you're wearing SPF, you still need to wear a pair of sunglasses to protect those eyes of yours. You only have one pair of eyes, just like you have one skin. Just saying. Next up is, and finally, is my hat. This is my favorite sun hat of all time. My sister-in-law went to the States and picked this up from Target for me one day. This was like, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years ago. And since then, this has been my favorite hat of all time. I wear it to every beach. I took this with me to Mexico. It provides so much shade. I don't get sunstroke. I don't get, I just don't get, damaged by the sun when I'm wearing a hat. And I can read outside without being bothered. If I don't want to see anybody walk by, or if I'm just wanting to kind of zone out in my book, I throw the flap down so nobody sees me, and I'm just sitting there reading without any bother. You guys, favorite hat of all time. Get yourselves a hat. It could be any kind. I love the big summer hats because they provide a little more shade. They cover a little bit of my shoulders so my shoulders don't get burnt. And you still get sun and you still will get dark, but you just won't get burnt, and that's what we're trying to prevent. Okay guys, that was it. That was my summer SPF essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a great summer. I plan on taking advantage of this summer. We here in Canada love to take advantage of the good weather while we have it, because we know that it's not here all year round like some of you guys get. You know, California, Florida, Arizona, India, wherever you are that is southern and more hot, and you get it all year round. I envy you guys. I envy you guys. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know in the comments down below what SPF products you like to use, because I like to venture off and try new things. So let me know down below. Love talking to you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks everyone. Mwah.